Hey everybody, Manoli Motion here. So it is about 1 a.m. and I'm wide awake, and around this time is when my creative juices really start to flow. So I figured, why not do a painting? Alright, I'm going to start by layering my base paint. You'll find all my colors, the recipe for this painting, and everything you need to know in the description. This is an 18 by 18 inch canvas that I painted over a painting that I thought was hideous, and I want to do something better to it. I'm going to start layering. Okay, so I'm going to start. So these are all neon fluorescent colors, and I love vibrant fluorescent colors. I do things a little differently. I want these all to kind of blend when I do my swipe, and so I'm going to layer them accordingly so that you can kind of still see the separation of colors, but then also having a nice blend to go with them. How's everybody doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Long ass day at work, but here is my therapy right in front of me. Okay, right here is my iridescent. I'm going to layer this right on top like that because I want this to blend through all the colors. I'm curious to see how this is going to work out because that is a thick layer of iridescent that I'm putting on there. Okay, and I'm actually doing that. So I want to add one more row going this way. Okay. I usually do this on a black background or black base paint is what I lay down, but I wanted to try this blue that I'm using, which you will also find in the description. Now my only fear is that these colors go straight through the base paint. I hope they don't, because I know the base paint is, I think it's a pretty light base. And if the other colors are more dense, they'll go straight through. So these are about medium consistency of paints. Each is mixed with 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. Okay, alright, now, swipe. Here is my swipe tool. If you're using a swipe tool, you want to make sure that it's angled so that your knuckles don't drag into the painting. It will make your life a lot easier. Okay, and I'm going to use 2 cell activators. So first off, here is my white, okay, and this is my cosmic black. Okay, and I actually have these available on my website. If anybody needs cell activator. Okay, so I'm gonna pour. I want half black and half white cell activator. Okay. Now I'm layering like this because I want the white to drag over the black when I swipe, because the white is actually way more dense than the black cell activator. So the white should go through the black. And of course, ultimately, in fluid art, colors, paints, they're all going to do what they want. But, you know, fortunately you get some control. Just like right now, I'm putting my cell activator on my swipe tool because I have control over how much I put on there, and how much cell activator you use and how thick of a layer influences how solid the lines are, the webbing, and how big the cells are. So lots of cell activator is going to create more thick lines and smaller cells, and if it was just a thin layer of cell activator, it would be bigger cells, thinner lines. Okay, so I'm just going to place this here gently, starting right where I have my iridescent. Okay, and I'm going to gently, slowly swipe straight across. I'm just going to add a thin line right there with the iridescent. Okay, and I'm going to use a little smaller. This is actually just a spatula. You don't have to find anything special or fancy. Okay, and I'm going to swipe. I'm going to go like this. Okay, but first, what I'm going to do is turn my canvas because I'm right-handed, and I do want to swipe from right to left or top to bottom. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to layer black right here, make a line. We're going to do half black, half white again. Man, it took me a little bit to get all my consistencies to match with this painting. It's always a challenging part of fluid art, is trying to get all your colors to match consistencies, because some paints are liquid acrylics, others are thick body acrylics, so it makes it a little bit more challenging to get them to match, to get the consistencies to match. Okay, so I'm going to start here. Okay, and I'm just going to do a long line right there. Okay, let's do another line. Okay, I'm going to start this way this time, and I'm going to go. Actually, no, I'm going to do what I did before. Okay, do my little V's. Okay. Right, you know what? I think I'm ready to start tilting. Okay, I'm gonna make some space here. Always make space when you get to the fun parts. Okay, and I think what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go and slightly cover my corners. I tend to always forget to do that when tilting, because I don't want to have to stress about losing parts of the composition that I like because my corners haven't been covered. Even if they're not covered after you're done tilting, if you like the painting how it is, you can always go back and just touch up the corners with paint that's ended up on the drape, or the drop cloth, I should say. Okay, and I'm going to pour the rest of this base just along the sides, just to give just to help the paint run off. So if you have that extra paint, use it. And then always save just a smidge for any touch-ups after. Okay? Alright. Here it goes. Alright, so tilting. I like to go corner center, corner center. Okay? You don't have to tilt everything off just yet. I'm glad that kind of orange part ended up where it did, because I'm not a fan of that part. Let's go back. Man, this one is definitely vibrant. When you tilt, you want to tilt nice and slow, guys. No rush. Corner to corner. almost got most of the canvas covered. Let's go back. Okay, I can kind of start getting the sides nice and slow. Okay, and back. Did I say that I wanted this vibrant? Oh, yes, I did. I'd say I've accomplished that. It is vibrant. Vibrant may be a little bit of an understatement. This is like fluid art on crack. Wonder, should I do with that blue spot right there? I wonder if I should keep that. Because I don't want to over tilt. And here is the finished dried result. And it dried really vibrant. It looks as if it was just poured, but it is dry. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed watching my video, please hit that subscribe button. If you did not enjoy watching my video, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye.